Visual Storage Intelligence, custom report generation and filtering will be the subject of this video. So Visual Storage Intelligence, as you see here, is the initial screen, the storage screen. And on all screens, there's tabular views here, to which you can build your own kind of report online on the screen by just dragging up something to the title bar, and now I have a subtotal report. I can shrink things, I can expand them all, however I want to view those things. And I can do multiple levels of classification as well, and do the same thing by expanding or subtracting them, or expanding them or contracting them as I deem fit. So that exists on every single screen. Now, the other piece you can do is if you want to just filter out, if I have lots of data depending on the screen, I can just look for a specific set of words or any set of numbers I want. That's a generic filter across the entire table. And the other thing I can do is I can go to a specific table, and probably the most useful example is I'll take this % used column, and I can filter now using the filter button by selecting in columns where it's numeric data. I might want data or all devices that are over 70% used. So I'll pick a greater than, I'll type 70, and now you see just the devices that are over 70% used. So you can turn those filters on and off as you deem fit on each and every screen. You can also do things once you're on these screens by sorting, by just clicking on the particular screen and get sorting, selecting, up, down, any way you'd like, those kinds of things. And you can also add columns that might be useful in the particular that particular view that you want to by looking at optional columns. If I want to have a count or anything else like that, I can add optional columns as I deem fit. Now, last but not least, if I turn off my filtering, which I'll go back here and turn that off, is I want to see all my devices again. And if I drag up here to, say, by data center, and I now want to, looking at my data online, if I go to generate a PDF and select enterprise report, it'll then schedule that report to be downloaded, and I'll schedule it. In this particular case, I'll go view one. So if I go look at the view, if I go look at a particular previously generated report, just by going to the downloads, every 5 minutes things are reports are generated. You go to the download screen, and here I can see an example of a PDF report that was generated previously for me that recognizes what I have done on the screen. So it's actually done by data center down here, and you can actually see all the charts in this particular PDF, and it has used my selection on the screen. So that is a way to get some custom report writing capability inside VSI.